Kuthomile ukuhlolwa inhlahlubo zokuphela komnyaka. Kodwa abanye abafundi abakaqedi ihlelo lokufunda lomnyaka. Omunye umfundi othengekileko nguSurprise Mnisi.
I'm worried because asizi esikoleni every day and attend every day. Sifunda lokho naloko asiqedi yonke syllabus. And ngiworried ngobe mangifika mhlambe ku matric ezinye izinto ngizazi ngobe attend every day. Asikayiqedi syllabus ya grade 9.
Nyangwezefundo uthi zinkolo ekufanele zilawula ukuthi abafundi batlola njani.
The department has advised all schools to use controlled tests, which are similar in nature in terms of the assessment regime that has to be in place in a school, but it will be based on what each school would have done.
Njengombana umnyaka uphela nje, ikomishini ezamalungelo obuntu ithi indaba yokuthi abantwana bangafundi ngokupheleleko enkolweni ngiyo enomthelela omkhulu kilokhu.